Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with the Microsoft Store error code 0xC002001B on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. That something is wrong during an installation or updating of application or games through the Microsoft Store. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type cmd command prompt, click run as administrator over here and click yes guys. Now type ipconfig space slash flus ipconfig space slash flus DNS. Press enter guys. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now type netskaich space winsock space reset netskaich space winsock space reset. Press enter guys. Successfully reset the Windows catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Next, move on to the next third command guys. For that, type sfc space slash scannow sfc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing this verification 100% complete guys, close out of here. Windows says potentiation found acquired file but was unable to fix some of them, and close out of here and go to search menu, type wsreset, click open guys, run command. This will reset the Microsoft Store guys. Hopefully that can resolve your problems guys. Your problem has been resolved. Now go ahead and restart your PC. You should good to go guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.